guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm just going to be talking about a brand or a boutique that I have collaborated with. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go give me a follow. My link is up here. I have been working with this brand for over a month, or this company for over a month, and I have been showcasing her items every single week for my Fashion Friday. So I have been working with Collective Rose, that is the boutique, and I've been working with Erica, who is the owner, and she gifted me 4 different pieces, and each of those pieces I have been showcasing on my Instagram for my Fashion Friday videos, and I have also been showcasing them on my blog as well. So if you guys do not follow me on there, go give me a follow. But for today's video, I'm just going to talk a little bit more about each product, and I'm also going to show you guys some of the photos of me wearing the products so you guys can really get a feel and see how you like it, and then just talk about my discount code and stuff like that. But before we jump into that video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too while you're at it so you can get notified of all of my future uploads. But without further ado, let's just jump right on into this video. Okay, so I do have the products right over here. I am missing a pair of jeans. I think they're in the wash, but I do have photos of me wearing all of these products, and I just want to show you guys the product on video and then also in the photos so you guys can get a complete look. Erica was also super sweet, and she basically also did give me a little bit of a breakdown of each product. So what she did is she gave me some sale items, and she told me what they would regularly price and then priced marked down. So I do have some end of season items that you guys can also snag up. And they do also have one current item that is full price, but I do have the math for all of that. And then I also do have a discount code for you guys as well if you guys are interested. The coupon code is XOMelissa, XOMELISSA, and it is right here, and you guys can use that code and you guys can get 15% off the total. So that is regular and sale items, so you guys can really get a good discount. I really love these pieces. They are so well made, and I really loved working with Erica. She is so sweet, so I just want to shout her out and say thank you. I am actually her first influencer that she's working with, and I'm so excited, and I'm so grateful that she took the chance on me. And a lot of these pieces are just so darn cute. Okay, so I am first going to start off with the pair that I do not have in front of me right now. Again, I think they are in the wash, but I absolutely love them. So these are the vintage patchwork jeans. They are regularly $52, but they are a end of season markdown right now, so they are $20 right now. You can use my discount code XOMelissa to get 15% off of that. But these jeans, guys, are so darn comfortable. I love them. Okay, so they do have a little bit of distressed to them, but they also do have little patchwork designs. When I say patchwork, they are not actual patches on them, but they do have darker denim. So it is basically just a square of darker denim on the bottom part of the leg. So it is on the calf, but on the front side of the calf. And I really do like them. That just adds a little bit of an extra pop to those jeans, and also the distress just makes them look really nice too. I can roll them up or roll them down. I am 5'5", but they are a perfect fit. These jeans are very true to size. They fit so comfortably, and I got so many compliments when I did wear them. They are just so comfortable. They fit me perfectly. They show off my curves, but they're also like a little bit looser, so it's that like loose curvy kind of look. I really love them. Again, those are the vintage patchwork jeans. Again, they're regular $52. You can get them for $20, plus add in my discount code and you can get them for a lot cheaper. Then I also have my Frayed Skinny jeans, which I have right here. I absolutely love these jeans. So as you guys can see, they do have that they do have that dark denim line right here that goes on the side of the jeans, and they also do have that kind of distressed frayed look right here, which I love so much. These jeans are so comfortable. The only thing that I do have to say, they are stretchy, as you guys can see, but I actually do recommend sizing up with these. These do fit me very, very well. They are a size 9, I think. Yes, they are a size 9, and they do fit me really, really well, but they are a little snug. So if you like jeans that fit you tight as a glove, you would definitely love these. If you do like your jeans to fit a tiny bit looser and not so tight, then I would definitely recommend sizing up. But these jeans are so darn cute. I really love that stripe right down here, and I feel like it just adds an extra like pizzazz to your jeans. It makes these jeans kind of stand out, and then it also just adds like that nice curve, because these jeans fit so well that it just curves along with your body so beautifully, and I love it. And I really do love the little frayed bottom part too. I feel like that just looks super cute with jeans, super cute with sandals. It just looks really cute, and you can even fold them up if you do not want that distressed showing. So I really do love these jeans. They're so stretchy, so comfortable. I really, really like them. And those are originally $52. Again, you can get them on sale right now because it is the end of season items for $20. And you can use my coupon code on top of that to get even more of a discount. That is 50% off. Then I have the Nadia Sweater, which I am obsessed with. I love this sweater so much. That is this sweater right here. Guys, this is so darn comfortable. This is like the perfect sweater when it's like you're on the beach and it's like chilly and you're wearing shorts and you just want that extra like kind of sweatshirt type of weather at the shore when you're wearing shorts, but wear this instead because this is so darn comfortable. This is in a size medium and it is very oversized. I love oversized. I could definitely rock this with a pair of leggings, jeans, shorts. I really, really like this. This is just so soft. I don't know, you guys probably won't be able to tell on camera, but this is just so soft. Yeah, this is made of acrylic, but it's just so darn soft. Then also with this, as you guys can see, it is looser here and then tighter here, so it does have that nice cool shape that is just awesome. I really like this. I do have a picture over here. This is just so darn soft, and I'm just really excited for that sweater weather to come back so I can rock this, or that evening beach kind of weather so I can rock this, because this is just so freaking comfortable. I love that so much. And the price for that Nadia Sweater, it is originally $64, but again, it is on sale and you can get it for $39.99, plus use my coupon code on top of that and you do get 15% off. And lastly, the last dress, which is a current item that I am absolutely in love with, guys. It is beautiful. It is called the Lacey Love dress. This is originally $64.99, but you can use my discount code and get 15% off of that. I'm sorry if I just seem repetitive, but I want to get my point across that you guys can use my code for full and sale price items and get the best deal ever. And that is this dress right here. How stinking pretty is this dress, guys? Okay, so you guys are gonna see the dress on me, so you guys can really pick out that pretty lace detail. Look at how stunning that is. It is pretty low cut, but not super low cut that it's like ooh risky. It looks very, very classy, very pretty. I do love the satin design or the satin material right up here. It also just adds an extra pizzazz to the dress. Then you do have this down here, and this dress is very bodycon-y. It is very tight bodycon-y. This is a medium and it fits me like a glove. Then at the end right here you do have more lace and it just looks so stunning. The color is just beautiful. And then on the back you do have a nice deep V, which is beautiful. It just adds that extra elegance to the dress. And then it does also have a zipper, and that is just the back of the dress. This is so darn comfortable, guys. I'm obsessed with it. It doesn't feel super, super tight. It fits so, so well. This is a medium and it just fits me like a glove. It just, oh, it fits me so, so well. I am obsessed with this dress. It looks so darn cute. I love it so much. The lace detailing just really makes it. I do love how the lace detailing just isn't straight across at the bottom. You guys can see it is kind of like grown and kind of just blended really, really well into this dress. It just looks stunning. I am obsessed. This is my favorite dress. I'm like, Ivan, when you're taking me out, because your girl needs to wear this out and look stunning. This is just beautiful. So you guys can see how that dress fits me. Again, it is a size medium. It fits me perfect like a glove. If you do want your bodycon dresses to fit a little bit bigger, I would definitely recommend sizing up, because this is also very, very true to size. Everything that I have tried besides the second pair of jeans, the Frayed Skinnies, so true to size. Everything just fits so well. She also does have a sizing chart, but honestly, everything is very true to size. And you guys know I am a curvy girl. Like, I have nice hips, I have a little tush, like it just fits me very, very well. And usually me finding jeans online is impossible because of my hip to waist ratio. I do have that smaller waist and the bigger hips. So these jeans fitting me, it's like a miracle, because I usually never buy jeans online. And when she first was like, okay, I'm gonna send you 2 pairs of jeans, I was like, I was really excited, but then part of me was like, oh my god, I'm really nervous because of my butt, basically. And trying to find jeans that fit my butt waist hip ratio is really hard, but these jeans fit so beautifully. So even if you are on the curvier side, definitely check these jeans out. They are beautiful. Again, if you are doing the Frayed Skinny, just size up a size, but then if you do the vintage patchwork, they are very, very true to size. So I just wanted to tell you guys all about the products, the clothes, the jeans, the sweater, and the dress. I'm obsessed. If you guys do not follow my blog, go give me a follow on there, because you guys do get the first inside scoop. And then also on Instagram, I did do a little unboxing, so give me a follow on there as well. But that is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you guys loved this video and loved the pieces. I loved working with Erica, so I just wanted to give her a huge shout out. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you going out of your way and trusting me, because I know how scary it is to trust an influencer if they're actually going to do all of the work, basically. So I really do want to say thank you to her and say I really appreciate sending me the items, and I really appreciate you, and best of luck to Collective Rose. I will always support you guys. I really love the pieces. It is a boutique. I am going to leave her Instagram for Collective Rose, and then also the URL for the website down below too, so you guys can check it out. I'm obsessed with these pieces. They're so beautifully made. They're not cheap. They're not cheap quality. I feel like they're reasonably priced. I mean, that sale section, amazing. So definitely check them out, guys. I really love them. Do not forget to use my code XOMelissa if you do want 15% off sale and full size or full priced items. But that is it, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite piece was down below. But I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!